So typically at just a one-day installation, you never know what you're going to get into once you dig a hole in the ground. We were a little bit worried today we might hit some rock, some bedrock. There's some in the area, but this hole was a good hole. A nice solid clay, which is typical for here. So at times we do run into bedrock in the soil, and it a lot of times takes special machinery with some jackhammers, and then we have to remove the rock. Then we would, at that time, most likely put some gravel in the bottom of the hole to protect the bottom of the tanks against any jagged edges. We want to maintain that those tanks are getting put in properly and safe, and just ensure the long life of them. Some other things that may happen to us is rain. The high weather, we want to get done in one day if possible.